With spring break fast approaching, students are participating in a workshop that will help them plan their holiday in both finances and safety.
As spring break is beginning this very weekend for Manhattan students, PowerCat Financial helps teach different ways to make their break experience even better.
Spring Break Not Spring Broke is a fun way for students to pick up some tips and advice around spring break time for either financial decisions, planning ahead for their trips, also some healthy tips and advice around like sunscreen use and STDs and safe sex and alcohol use, all those things that come into play when you're taking a spring break.
WellCat Ambassador Brecken Lawrence gave some insight on what might help save some change while traveling.
Don't spend more money than you have to. I would say over there we had a station talking about just meals that you could prep and then throw in a cooler to throw in the car, and I really think that, it's saving you calories, it's saving you money, it's saving you time.
Traveling on spring break can be not only expensive, but also dangerous.
Number one would be if you're going to be here in town, especially on campus or off campus, is be with somebody. Have a partner, have a buddy, friend, whatever the case might be. And then if you are by yourself, let somebody know where you are.
Being alone is not the only dangerous moment during spring break, but also excessive drinking.
Be really careful, know your surroundings, watch your drink.
If you are going to drink, do it in moderation, don't go overboard.
It looks like the formula for a good spring break includes smart spending habits, having a buddy, and exercising caution.
I'm Olivia Bergmeyer in Manhattan for Channel 8 News.
Now we go to Derek Dar, who's with a student that is tackling spring break without going spring broke. Derek?